are going to do? If I put it in a small words, then of course we are going to grow by 2 times whatever we have today, and 20 times more digitized. We have to look around and find out where we can save some energy and do some kind of sustainability in our daily work. So it should be like 82% more decarbonized, and decentralized is up to 70%, whatever we have today other than that. Okay, so just I'll take you through the Paris Agreement, what has happened with the 195 countries in 2016, sometime in October in Paris. So what they are looking at, 30% increase is expected from the developing countries in by next 2040, very quickly. 500 million people are still having no access to the electricity, even after doing all such kind of stuff. About 37% of power generation should be from the renewable energy resources, where today the figure is only 23%, only. And then today, globally, we have 1.3 million cars and vehicles on the road, where the expected figure is 150 million by 2040. Whenever we are talking about these energy resources, trust me, this 50% will be growing to have on this natural gas. So this is an extremely important figure. Whereas every year, our expectation is to rise only 0.5% annual growth in terms of the carbon dioxide emission in the environment, where the figure today till 2000 was 2.4%. So you see, that is what is our target to do. And it's not we means we alone. We all together, whoever is sitting in this hall, we are going to do that in recent future. When we are going to talk about the potential, like from where we will get this. Today, if I look at the individual market segments, we have the figure that from industry, we tapped only 42% of the potential to save this. We still have 58% left, where we can still look into that, find out what needs to be done, and then do your actions and change the world. Whereas the infrastructure, it is 79%, and for your building, it is 82%, where the building considers like all the buildings, offices, and hospitals, any kind of green buildings, and so on. Looking at that very quickly, what Schneider has done, so it is like 27 billion euros is our revenue last year, and then we had like 5%. We are spending on the innovation and the R&D of our revenue, total revenue, and which is we have 160,000 people working on the innovation across 100 countries, more or less. With the diversified end user market, when we are catering to 34% to the building and 27% to the industries at this point of time. Okay, so when we are actually saving or trying to save the energy at your place, let's have a quick look on the customer's testimonial. Okay, I'm sure like you are enjoying the testimonial, what I have just shown you. So very quickly what we do is we are looking at the energy sustainability on top of the automation and the software and analytics to make sure we are capturing everything, serving 4 markets, what I have already shown you, that is the building, industry, IT, and infrastructure. Okay, so we have a lot of potential to save some energy. When we are looking at all this potential, we are talking about the innovation, and Schneider Electric always values the innovation. In all the 5 levels, last 50 years, we are talking about the safety, reliability, efficiency, sustainability, and now it is connectivity. When we look at the connectivity, all these 5 key areas are actually enabling the convergences of this energy, automation, and software, which is ultimately getting under the structure where giving all these individual help you require for all the different type of market segments. I know the application you have is absolutely different than each other. But looking at those, we are there with our innovation that how to make you successful in the sustainable energy management. While we talk all these heavy words to make the environment little light, let's see that what best we can do in the industry. A quick short video once again just to show you with some little bit of fun that what are we going to do in the industry. I know, 10 minutes. Okay. Point is, make your life easy. Whenever we are working with the, or in fact, I had a discussion with many of the supervisor or whoever is taking care of in the industry level, they are always in big pressure with lot of KPIs in terms of the energy saving, in terms of the KPI management, the production related data and all these things. Once you have this system in place, there will be a lot of easy going life is awaiting for you. Okay, so what has changed? The mobility. Of course, right now everyone has these mobile technology with you. Why not use that? The cloud, there are a lot of data. Every day we download and upload. Do you know that what is the size? By 2020, we are going to use almost 40 zettabyte of data. That means it is close to 40 trillion GB data we are going to upload to the system or to the network. Once we are having those, why can't we use the same system to analyze whatever is happening to our industries and what's going on wherever you are, and then can have an access to it. As a Schneider, when we talk about this innovation, we do talk about in each and every business area, each and every industrial area where we are trying to help you to make your life better and better. To do that, we heard today that it is all about the PAT scheme is in place, ISO 50000 was in place, and then so many other standards are in place. Let's have a quick look that whenever we have that ISO 50001, how it looks. Yeah. Yeah, done. It's done. This is the high time to think about ISO 50001. When everyone else is ahead, we have to also join the race and then get it done in India, especially in Aurangabad as well. So quickly, our technology, when we talk about all these problems and effects, it will help you to ensure your life is on everywhere, for everyone, and for every moment, where we also say, if there is no energy, there is no life. So the life is on because the energy is on. And when the energy is on, it is our utmost duty to make our energy safe, reliable, efficient, sustainable, and finally connected. Thank you very much, everyone, for giving me this opportunity. See you soon.
Thank you, Indrajit, for sharing your thoughts on global energy scenario and technology available. I request Narayan Pawar, Secretary MASSIA, to felicitate Indrajit Sen. The next speaker, I invite Sri P.R. Pandey from Bajaj Auto. Sir Pandey, sir, please. He will take the session on industry's initiative on energy conservation. All of us know Bajaj has got Energy Conservation National Award for consecutive 2 years, and Mr. Pandey is here to share his experience on energy conservation industries. Please, sir. Introduction.
We have a great personality with us, Shri Pramod Kumar Pandey. He has completed BTech in Electronics Engineering from Government Engineering College, UP. Also completed MBA in Marketing. He has worked with EMA India, Kanpur Manufacturing and Induction Heating Machines for 5 years. Also completed with LML Limited Kanpur for 10 years. Since 2005, he is working with Bajaj Auto Limited, Vadodara plant in facility engineering and plant maintenance. So now I would like to request Shri Pramod Pandey sir for begin with their lecture. Thank you.